Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to register face unlock in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Then go to lock screen and here select screen lock type, and now try your current pattern for confirmation and authentication. Now turn on the button against face. Now click on continue and registering your face. Just register your face. Here I register my face. 70% completed. Now 100% completed. Okay. Now click on done and try to open with your face. Yes, it's working very well. In this way, you can easily register face unlock in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.